Are these the only two impressions you have of ABS and PBT? ABS equals low end, right? What exactly is the difference between ABS and PBT? When it comes to the ABS keycap, you must have come to the mind of the old internet cafe that has a smooth interface to a fingerprint dust. Smooth touch, looks very old keyboard. Common engineering, plastic 5 synthetic resin, hydrolonitrol A, butadiene B, styrene ester polymer, with mature process and low cost, has already become the most widely used materials in PC manufacturing industry. Yes, it's cheap, but it is liquid, easy to produce, strong plasticity. The material is glossy after pouring, showing a translucent to transparent. The surface can be easily coated, colored, spray plating, electroplating welding, hot pressing bonding and other secondary processing. ABS itself also has nice stability, high strength, good toughness, tasteless, non-toxic, insulation, impact resistance, corrosion resistance, heat resistance and other characteristics. All these combined, ABS naturally became the keyboard industry's favorite. It can be made more delicate and smooth, or more rough and textured, or to color injection molding. The appearance of the keycap is regular and exquisite. Uniform texture, silk screen printing, radiant power beam processing are very convenient. It also increases its transparency. To accommodate the RGB backlight of the keycap, the quality is also able to cope with many complex working environments, such as the coffee and skincare products sprinkled on people, the ups and downs of room temperature, the long and frequent percussion, and the occasional violent blow. When we enter the micro perspective, we find the links of the three compound molecules of ABS are complex and loose, resulting in large depths in the ABS particles. In a frequent contact between fingers and eyelashes day after day, some weakly connected compound molecules will stick to the epidermis of fingers and break away from the tissues, resulting in the destruction of the ABS structure, and the interface and corners become more and more bright, finally becoming the ABS we see.